Hey, it's right there. Yeah.
Get it, though.
Look, he's opening it.
Open it up.
He did. He got it.
I'll take the paper off, silly.
There you go. Open it.
But it's like too much effort. I don't care. Oh, you got tape on his tongue.
Ooh, look, Bo, new toy.
Get here.
You're like, no way.
You want this? Ow, it's my finger.
You don't care? Get him out of the way.
Yeah, he didn't know what it was, and so.